cyanobacteria are not algae, though they are known as blue-green algae. They are not algae, number one. And therefore, the photosynthetic rate of cyanobacteria and algal machinery is completely different. Number one. And number two, eutrophication is not easily a reversible process. And we focus more on the sewage and surface flow through the rainwater and farms and agriculture. But dam water itself is a surface flow collection. When the dam water has higher phosphate than 1 ppm, after 2 decades or 3 decades of a dam life, the dam discharge is a wastewater. And there are data on the algal bloom in dam reservoirs. So, I mean, this technology is wonderful, wonderful. But technology will give us the picture of things happening. Technology will not bring in the molecular changes. It cannot render the phosphate inactive or non-participatory in photosynthesis. And with this solar play at night, when algal activity stops because of no solar energy, algae die. And when algae die, the real gases generated during degeneration of molecules, organic molecules, that is mainly at night. And that creates the hell. Because once cyanobacteria form, cyanotoxins will be released. We cannot stop it unless we have some genetic intervention in cyanobacterial expression of genes. This technology for in situ studies, they are very helpful. Let us be very clear. And these tools should be extended to molecular level, because cyanotoxins are coming from the cyanobacteria. Algae do not disrupt neural synaptic junction communication. Cyanotoxins secrete an amino acid which is BMAA, which cannot be broken down in physiology. And this BMAA replaces serine in choline esterase, which is responsible for the synaptic junction functioning. Unless we understand and identify these genes and understand the mechanism, because I mean, some lakes may have been improved, yes, we respect that observation. But how did it happen? That also needs to be understood. In situ tooling that emphasized on is a wonderful, wonderful technology, because so far all the knowledge came from the bacteria which were cultured in isolation. And there is nothing ideal in nature. Thank you.